You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names. We'll be looking at how to say more biblical names, names from the Bible, many mispronounce. A military leader, judge and prophet too. So there are different ways of pronouncing it, okay? Possibly the most common in English is Jerubbaal. Jerubbaal, okay, with a stress on that second syllable, but it's not very clear where the accent really falls. A lot of people list it pronounced differently. Trustworthy sources. So it can be also said as Jerubbaal. Jerubbaal, okay, with a stress on the first syllable. It can also be pronounced as Jerubbaal with a stress on the last syllable. So you can essentially put the stress wherever you want. So let's recap the three pronunciations: Jerubbaal, Jerubbaal, or Jerubbaal, Jerubbaal. Some say it also as Jerubbaal, Jerubbaal, okay? So yeah, it's up to you, but Jerubbaal is probably the most common and perhaps the safer pronunciation, so maybe go for that one. Jerubbaal, Jerubbaal. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. More videos for you here. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.